Can Kotak Assured Pension Plan afford financial security in retirement and provide a worry-free retirement? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked and non-participating annuity plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you have 10 annuity options to choose from. There is flexibility to avail payout to top up additional annuity. They issue annuity rates for lifetime, guaranteed for a lifetime, and higher annuity rates for higher premium. You have the flexibility to choose a deferment period between 1 to 10 years based on your annuity requirement, and it gets accrued during the deferment period as well. And there are benefits like death benefits and survival benefit, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. And some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: you have the flexibility to choose a deferment period between 1 to 10 years on inception in plan options 7 and 10. You have the option to avail loan only during the deferment period under deferred annuity options, which are available for option 7 and option 10. And you get guaranteed additions accrued during the deferment period. An annuitant who has availed of an immediate annuity can subsequently make an additional annuity purchase to increase the annuity payout. So these are some of the advantages. However, the disadvantages are this plan has too many variants, so this may lead to confusion during selection. Surrender benefits and loan facilities are available under select variants, and an annuity is taxed as per the slab rate. These are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. And if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. So now, for analysis purpose, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 60-year-old man purchased this policy and pays a premium of 10 lakhs and selects plan option 6A, which is lifetime income with cashback on death. So he will receive an annuity of 59,500 rupees per year. And if the annuitant passes away, the nominee will receive the original purchase price. Assuming the surviving annuitant lives to 85 years, the nominee would receive 10 lakhs after 25 years. And for this cash flow, if you calculate the IRR as presented on the tabular column on the screen, you can see it is calculated to be 5.85% as per the policy's maturity calculator. A bank fixed deposit can offer a similar or higher rate of return. Thus, this policy does not provide additional value in terms of yield and liquidity. There are better alternatives that offer higher yield and better liquidity, which we will discuss in the next part of the video, which is a comparative analysis. So if you compare this policy returns with other fixed income investment returns, you can see that fixed income products provide regular payouts and can be used to meet your income needs. So as you can see, the some in fixed income investment options and their expected rate of return are presented on the screen, which are, for example, bank fixed deposit, which gives you expected return of 6 to 7% per annum, and senior citizen savings scheme SCSS also gives you an expected return of 8.20% per annum, and RBI floating rate savings bond gives you an expected return of 8.05% per annum. So FD is a secure investment where retirees can park their corpus to earn a fixed interest rate, providing regular and predictable income. And SCSS is a government backed scheme offering higher interest rate, especially for seniors, ensuring regular income with a relatively low risk. RBI floating rate bond is a government bond with interest rate that adjusts with market rates, so offering the potential for higher return and regular income but with some interest rate risk. So these products offer liquidity, allowing you to utilize your retirement corpus as needed. So in a rising interest rate environment, you can move your funds to other investments. However, these options may not keep pace with inflation. So now let us consider an alternative alternative strategy using the same figures as the Kotak policy for a fair comparison. So with the retirement corpus of 10 lakhs and an initial annual withdrawal of 59,500, which was an annuity amount for the Kotak policy. So let us assume that 60% of the 10 lakhs, that is 6 lakhs, is invested in equity for wealth creation, while the remaining 4 lakhs is allocated to debt instrument for regular income needs. The equity investment is expected to generate a return of 12%, while the debt investment yields 6%. Every 6 years, the debt portion is replenished from the equity portion, and the annual withdrawal amount increases by 6% to combat inflation. The strategy ensures that the equity portion helps contract inflation and maintain your lifestyle post retirement, while the debt portion covers your regular needs. So, the allocation ratio is set at 60:40 ratio between equity and debt, with rebalancing every 6 years. The final transfer from equity to debt occurs at the age of 78. This example shows one way to balance assets, though it can be adjusted based on your individual preferences and risk tolerance. So the IRR for this cash flow is 8.63%, which is significantly higher than that of the Kotak policy, even after accounting for the increased annual withdrawals. So with the strategy, you receive regular income, you combat inflation and maintain your lifestyle, and your retirement corpus outlives you. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Kotak Assured Pension plan worth it or not? So this policy is an annuity plan designed to provide a regular income stream either immediately or after a deferment period for life. The Kotak Assured Pension plan offers a wide range of options, including 8 immediate annuity and 2 deferred annuity choices. Additionally, you can select the annuity frequency that best suits your needs. Despite these features, the written analysis shows that the plan performs poorly due to many reasons, including high agent commission. So relying on the Kotak policy for your post-retirement income may leave you with insufficient funds in the long run.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.